Alright, pickup day. So I decided to repower my little 15-foot alloy runabout. I've been running a 50 horsepower 2-stroke engine, and finally thought, let's try out a 4-stroke. Why would I try a 4-stroke instead of the faithful old 2-stroke? Well, hopefully, let's see if we have less smell, because 2-strokes burn 2-stroke oil, less vibration, less noise. 2-strokes are quite loud, they rev quite high, and a better fuel economy, because if anyone's used a 2-stroke before, you know the more throttle you give it, the more fuel it drinks. Speaking of fuel, so yeah, that's about to go really. It's taken these guys a couple of weeks to sort of get this organised for me. So off now to Brisbane Yamaha, which is just over the north side of town, to pick up the Boat. A couple of things that were done is that we welded a new plate on the back of the transom. There was a little bit of corrosion there, so we sort of tidied all that up. And yeah, the boys have rigged the engine, put in some new instruments, a new steering cable, and here she is. All wiring up underneath the gunnels there, comes around. So, one brand new T60, Yamaha T60. So it's a high thrust 4-stroke engine. It's about 1000cc, fuel injected. Yeah, double overhead cam job. Yeah, let's see if we can get another 20 years out of this boat. If you want to get some more specs and stuff on this engine, yeah, visit Yamaha site. It's the T60.